In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Shopify key 5 minutes. If you're working with a custom app in Shopify and need to find its API key and secret, this walkthrough will take you from the main dashboard to the exact spot where those credentials live. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the correct Shopify store and that your staff account has permission to view app development settings. If you don't see an option I mention, it's usually a permissions issue, so check with the store owner or an admin. Begin by going to Shopify and signing into your store's admin. You'll land on the familiar dashboard with your sales, orders, and navigation on the left. From here, look to the lower left corner and open Settings. This is the control center for everything behind the scenes, and it's where Shopify keeps your app management tools. Inside Settings, head to Apps. Depending on your view, this area may be labeled Apps and Sales Channels, but it's the same place where all installed apps and app development tools are managed. You're not installing anything new here. You're simply navigating to the developer area to view credentials. Next, choose Develop Apps. This section is specifically for custom apps built for your store. If you don't see it, your store might have app development disabled, or your role may not allow access. In that case, request the necessary permission from an admin. Once you're in the developer area, select the existing app you want to inspect. Be sure it's the correct app for the environment you're working in, production versus a test store, since each app has its own unique credentials. Opening the wrong app is a common reason teams copy the wrong key. Inside the app, open its settings. In many layouts, this will include an area labeled API credentials, configuration, or something similar. This is where Shopify stores the identifiers used to connect your app to the store. Finally, click Secret. Here you'll find the API key and the API secret. The API key is a public identifier your app uses to say who it is, while the secret is private and proves that the request truly comes from your app. You may need to click a reveal or show button to view the secret, and Shopify may ask you to confirm your identity first. When copying, use the copy button to avoid typos. Store these values in a secure password manager or environment variables and never paste them into public code, screenshots, or messages. If you suspect a key has been exposed, rotate it and update any services that depend on it. That's it. You've navigated from your Shopify admin to your app's credentials and confirmed where to find the key and secret safely.